Welcome to the printing tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to use KIP request. It's a piece of software we use to send prints to KIP machines. KIP machines are usually large format printers, and this software is used to send PDFs to the machine. So in this part of the window you browse to where your files are kept. As you can see here we have a list of files which are within this folder. In this video I'm going to show you how to print an A2. Now normally what you have to do is you select your files first, or you open your files and they'll open in Adobe Reader, and then you have to do your properties and then send it to print within Adobe Reader or Acrobat. Now this is handy piece of software because you can do multiple files all at once, and you just have to set the printing size once. So say if you had a multiple set of A2s there, you could check them. You do your properties first, then check those. And then say if you had a list of A0s, you do your properties for an A0, and then you check those. So in this case what you have to do is, it's backwards. You normally open your file first and then do your properties. But in this case you set your properties first here and then select your files. This is important. By standard it's always set to 100%. This will print the page to scale. So the software opens or reads the file and finds out the page size and then prints it to that size. If you don't want to have it at 100%, you can always have it at A2. A2 will obviously be to scale, so it's the same as if you had it at 100%, or you can do it A2 fit. Obviously if it's Victor and the page is not exactly an A2 size, or it's a bit out, it might not be to scale. So the safe option is to always have it at A2 or 100%. We'll select A2 in this case. Okay, here you have the requester. If you have different user accounts on your printer, then you'll have different users here. You select your user. You don't need to worry about these fields as much. Media type is your type of paper that's in the machine, if you have different types. Automatic, this is fine, and here you have your number of copies. Okay, so now these are set. Now you select your file. So we'll select a file by clicking there. Ask for a password. It asks for a password because we have different users on the machine. If you didn't have different users, then you wouldn't have to enter a password. So enter a password, we'll say OK. Now you can see the file has been set here, and this is the size it's going to print to, and you can see your options there. If you had multiple files they would list here and you would see the size for each. So you click submit print job. You don't need to worry about checking the size or any of these, and you just click OK and it sends it to the machine.